Meaning of Glenn Miller.
Glenn Miller.
Glenn Miller.
Glenn Miller.
Glenn Miller. Glenn Miller was an American musician, arranger, composer, and bandleader in the swing era. He was born on March 1, 1904, and disappeared on December 15, 1944, while flying over the English Channel during World War II. Miller's big band recordings and arrangements are considered classics of the genre. His best-known tracks include In the Mood, Moonlight Serenade, and Tuxedo Junction. Miller and his music played a vital role in the morale of the Allied troops during World War II. Today, his legacy still lives on as his music continues to be appreciated by people all around the world.